Hey guys, this is your beautiful girl vkaitesi, all from Uganda, the motherland, the pearl of Africa. Yeah, if you're new here, you're welcome, and if you're my returning subscriber, oh my god, you mean the world to me. Kindly please subscribe, share, like, and let me know how you think about this video. It means you have to comment down below. Guys, it's Ramadan here in Saudi Arabia and people really need a dessert, so I need to make a quick dessert. As you can see, I already done to set up that table. Look how it looks like, so perfect, like I love it. Look at that sombosa, look at that fatah, look at that vinto, look at all that tamra cups and cups. They are all amazing. So we're gonna be making a quick dessert, so watch the video until the end so that you can see the final result. It's gonna be a quick one that you can eat in the few minutes. So let's start our process. Here I have all my equipments. So that is the name in Arabic. There is also at the other side the English name. So that is what we're gonna do right now. And we have our milk, we have our cups, like glass cups. They are really nice for this dessert. Yeah, so what I'm gonna get is my pot or cooking pot, but it's a tiny one. Yeah, we're gonna mix them all together in one. So we need also sugar. Yeah, we need sugar, like 1 finja, or or like you can put 2 spoons. Yeah, they are really nice. So yeah, it's time now to start the process. It's gonna be quick, guys, delicious, and so it can relax you like so well. So it's milk here. We have to put 2 spoons. And have to mix it well so that you can get the perfect cream. Yeah, after here we're gonna be putting it on the fire, and we have to keep on mixing until it gets like perfect. So I need to add the sugar for tasting. It gives a nice taste. We have to mix it very well, like very well. Once you make a small mistake, it will be like caravan. It will be have to keep on mixing because you can make a mess when you stop mixing. So you have to keep on mixing very well so that we get a perfect dessert ever, hey, this is gonna be yummy, guys. I'm telling you, this is gonna be the best ever. So give a video a like, let me know how you think. Yeah, so this is how it looks like. Oh my god, looks so creamy, that yellowish. Oh my god, the flavor, the aroma is really great. It's really great. Yeah, I think this pot is getting smaller, so I'm gonna get another big pot so that I can mix it very well, and it will comes like so good. So this is a big pot. In case you like the pot is not enough, you can change, but keep on mixing until you get the perfect cream. Yeah, it's really nice and it's really coming so nice. Again, this is your beautiful girl who doing a great dessert. So boils, you have to take it out, then you pour in our glass bowl so that we can put it in the fridge later. And this time I'm gonna put it in the freezer at the top because it is we want it so quick. As you've seen recently, I'm already set up the table, so we need it so quickly. Oh my god, you can forgive me for that sound. is an airplane passing at the up. So what you have to do, I'm done that one. So I have to take it in the fridge later. Yeah, in the freezer, so that we get it so quickly, and when it is already cold. Yeah, that's a great thumbnail. It's a great thumbnail. So let's do it. Let's do it.